7 jobs which makes you millionaire in 2022. Investment banker. If you're looking for one of the best jobs to get rich, becoming an investment banker is at the top. According to Glassdoor, the average base pay for investment bankers is $79,847 as of the date of this writing. However, if you look at salary plus bonus, the average associate makes up to $150,000 in the first year, according to Wall Street Oasis. Salaries for vice presidents top out at $1.5 million and managing partners can make more than $20 million. It's by no means easy money, though investment banking hours are notoriously long, and while getting an entry-level analyst position requires a bachelor's degree, many investment bankers pursue graduate degrees. Most finish an MBA program, but some get other graduate degrees such as a law degree. You'll have better success at getting a high-paying investment banking position if you attend a top-tier school. Many investment banks recruit heavily from Ivy League schools such as Harvard and Columbia. Physician. If you're good at science and enjoy helping people, becoming a doctor is a good career option. Salaries vary depending on specialization, however, even on the lower end you'll end up with a 6-figure income. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the 2019 median pay for physicians and surgeons was $208,000 per year. However, that doesn't account for the much higher pay for many physician subspecialties. The more specialized you are as a physician, the higher your compensation. A heart surgeon will make significantly more than a general practitioner, though they'll also have to go through more extensive schooling. Orthodontist. If you're good with both kids and adults, consider becoming an orthodontist. According to Glassdoor, the average pay for an orthodontist is $231,288 a year, putting it at the number 3 position in the best jobs to get rich. How much you make as an orthodontist greatly depends on where you live geographically. To become an orthodontist, you first must complete a 4-year college degree. Some dental schools accept undergraduates without a bachelor's degree if they've studied in a pre-dental program for at least 2 years. Once you've graduated from college, you must take the dental admissivity test. From there, you'll need to apply to accredited dental schools and complete a 4-year program. After dental school, an aspiring orthodontist must complete an orthodontic specialty program, which typically takes 2 years. Some orthodontists also complete a master's degree program or a doctoral dentistry program in orthodontics. Dentist. If you don't want to go through the additional schooling to become an orthodontist, you can still make 6 figures as a dentist. For the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the median pay for dentists is $159,200 a year. Glassdoor.com pegs dentist compensation at an average of $187,601. Becoming a dentist requires a bachelor's degree in addition to specialty training. As noted previously, some dental schools accept undergraduates without a 4-year degree if they've studied in a pre-dental program for at least 2 years. To get accepted to dental school, you'll need to take and pass the DAT. Dental school programs take 4 years to complete. Just like orthodontists, dentists must be licensed in the state in which they work. This often requires passing written and practical exams. As a dentist, you'll diagnose and treat problems with patients' teeth. Engineer. One of the best fields to get rich with just a 4-year college degree is engineering. Becoming a doctor or orthodontist requires extensive schooling before you can reap the benefits of a 6-figure salary. And even many investment bankers have master's degrees. Most engineering jobs, on the other hand, only require a bachelor's degree. However, not all engineering specialties pay the same according to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Petroleum engineers are the highest paid, with a median annual salary of $137,720. Air traffic controller. Looking for one of the best jobs to get rich without a 4-year degree? That honor goes to air traffic controllers. The median pay for this job in 2019 was $122,990 according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Glassdoor.com reports higher average earnings at $137,187. To become an air traffic controller, you'll need an associate's degree. Although some programs may require a bachelor's degree, you'll need to attend an accredited Air Traffic Collegiate Initiative school and pursue a non-engineering aviation degree. Additionally, you must be a U.S. citizen, pass all medical and background checks, and take exams and courses at the Federal Aviation Administration Academy. Pharmacist. If you're looking for a career in the medical field but don't want to be a doctor, becoming a pharmacist may be a good option. Pharmacists fill medication prescriptions and offer advice on their safe use and side effects. You may also advise patients on general health topics like diet, exercise, managing stress and health conditions, and so on. The median annual salary for pharmacists in 2019 was $128,090 per the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Glassdoor.com reports a slightly lower average compensation at $119,057 the aging baby boomer population will ensure. Demand continues for this career field. Becoming a pharmacist requires first completing at least 3 years of college and